Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install MongoDB on Windows 10 operating system. MongoDB is a free and open source database. It is also considered as a NoSQL database. It consists of documents and collection. Now let us see how to install. For that, go to the browser. On Google, type MongoDB, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see mongodb.com, the official website is visible. Click on it. From here, you just need to click on try free. From here, you need to go for community version, which is free and open source. Click on premises. Here, click on community server. Now, the current version is 4.4.1 and we want it for Windows platform. The package we want, we can go for the zip file or MSI installer. I'll go for the installer. Click on download. Now the download started on the left. Now guys, we have downloaded the MongoDB version community server 4.4.1. Now here is the installer file. Click on the arrow, click on open, or you can also double click here. I'll just click on the arrow and click on open. Let's minimize this. Here is the setup. Click on next. Accept the terms. Click on next again. Now two types are visible for setup, complete or custom. Let's go for complete. Service configuration is visible. You need to keep it as it is. The service is as network service user and service name is MongoDB. It will create two directories, data directory and log directory. Under the following path, we will see it later. Now click on next, keep the default. Install MongoDB Compass. It is the official graphic UI for MongoDB. Keep it as it is, keep the default, and let's click on next. Here, ready to install? Yes, definitely. For 64-bit, click on install. Now guys, you can see we have successfully installed MongoDB 4.4.1 version. Now click on finish. Here the desktop shortcut got created. Now let us see where we installed MongoDB. C drive, program files, MongoDB. Here it is. Server 4.4 version, and here it is. Here we installed MongoDB. If you remember, while creating the two folders, data and log created on its own, it notified us also while we were installing. Click on bin. Now we will go to CMD and we'll reach this path, and we will go to this path, select and copy. Now minimize this. Let's go to CMD. Command prompt, press on it. Here we have reached CMD. Now let's reach the directory. I'll paste the path here. I have reached. Now you can see we need to run the mongod command. This one. Mongod is, you can say, mongodemon. Press enter. Now guys, here you can see it's an error that the data directory doesn't exist, not found. So we will create this directory and run mongod again. So go to C drive, create data folder, under that create db. C drive, create a folder data, under that create a folder db, and that's it. Keep it empty and let's minimize this. So guys, we have created the directory data db. Now I'll run the command mongod again. To run the server, press enter. So guys, now our MongoDB started. Now let's go to minimize this and go to a new CMD, a new terminal. Type CMD, click on it. Now go to the path again, CD, press enter. Herein you can see we have mongo.exe file. So we will run mongo here. Type mongo and press enter. Now it is connecting. So now we have connected Mongo. Let's see the databases. The default databases show DBs, semicolon, press enter. Here are the databases, default databases. So guys, in the coming videos, we'll be seeing how we can create a new database or documents collections. In that, MongoDB has documents and collections. So guys, now let's close this and also set the path. Why we need path? Because for example, you closed everything. Now you'll go to CMD again and you will type MongoDB. It will show an error because we haven't reached the path. So we need to again copy the bin path and paste it here, CD, and start the server. Let's press enter. Here is the error. When I'll press Mongo, there is an error again. So what I'll do, I'll just set the bin path, so that you need to just go to the CMD and type MongoDB and Mongo and create your database and work on it. So it's simple. Go to bin, copy it, go to start, type variables, click edit the system environment variables. Now click on, now under advanced environment variables, click on environment variables. Here user variable for Amit underscore user and system variables are for the entire system. You need to set this one. Go to path, double click. Here click on new and just paste the path. That's it. Click on OK. OK again. And the last one OK to save it. Let's minimize all these and I'll close this again. Now let's try to run again. Go to CMD, click on it. Now let's try to start MongoDB again. It started. You can see. Now let's go to CMD again, click on it, Mongo, and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see a server started. We can see Mongo connected. Now let's use the command show DBs again, semicolon, press enter, and it's working. So in the coming videos, we'll be creating documents collection and we'll work on the entire MongoDB tutorial for beginners. So guys, in this video, we saw how we can easily install MongoDB current version 4.4.1. With that, we also saw how we can connect to MongoDB and Mongo so that we can list the databases, and we also saw how we can set the path for MongoDB. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.